Once you have a list of contacts that have opted in to receive text messages from you, you can get started creating your SMS campaign. In this short video, we'll show you how it all works. To begin, click Channels and then select SMS. From there, you can start creating your campaign. The sender name can't be changed and should match the name you used when you registered for SMS campaigns. Next, add your campaign information in the box here. You can personalize it with your contact's first name and other contact details, and even add some emoji. Take a look at the character counter here to see how many characters your message can include. The opt-out message you see here is one of the universal templates that we created for all users to help you get up and running even faster. When you're finished creating your text message, click Schedule. In the Time and Audience section, you can choose to either send it now or schedule it for later. And that's how easy it is to create and send SMS messages with Constant Contact.